everybody, or good evening, or good night, or whatever time you're watching this video. I am back with another fitness advice video. In this video, I am going to be talking about how to lose weight without dieting or exercising. Basically with minimum effort. You get me? Like, you don't want to put in a lot of effort, or you cannot put in a lot of effort, which is not possible because you can do anything you put your mind into. But let's not get there. Let's just say you don't want to put in a lot of effort into losing weight. What is the easy way out? Well, I have a couple of tips and tricks for you guys who want to lose weight without putting a lot of effort. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Also, I just want to let you guys know that the picture on my thumbnail is a picture of me when I was overweight, unhealthy. I did not lose that amount of weight without dieting properly or exercising. I did exercise, I did work out. So yeah, I'm just letting you know. But since I didn't have another picture for my thumbnail, I used that one. But there are a couple of things I used to do time to time to lose a little weight. So yeah, so I'm just gonna share it with you guys right now. But I just want to get it out there. My thumbnail is a picture of me when I was overweight, but I lost it all with the help of good diet and exercising. But the tips and tricks are also things that I have used in my personal life. Number 1, chewing slowly and thoroughly. What does that mean? Now here's the thing, when you eat fast, you eat more. But if you eat slow, you eat less. That's just how it works. Have you ever tried to eat something but it took you so long to eat that you got tired of eating? Yeah, that's basically what I'm trying to say. So if you eat slowly, you tend to eat less. So that's my tip number 1. Don't chew your food extremely fast. Try to chew your food extremely slow and try to chew for a long period of time. Because when you eat really fast, your brain takes time to process that it's had enough food, but it's gonna signal you very, very late, so you'll probably overeat. Have you ever eaten so freaking fast that while you were eating, you were like, oh wait, I'm still hungry, but after you finished eating, you were like, oh my goodness, I overweight. Basically, that's what happened. Your brain was unable to tell you really quickly that you had enough to eat, but it's still late. So just eat slowly and thoroughly. Number 2, try to keep unhealthy or junk food away from you, out of your sight. Now when something is near you, let's just say for example an apple, you will eat it. It's just how your brain works. You see something, you eat it, or you're walking and you're like, and you eat it and then you go. So try to keep your apartment, keep your space around you a little cleaner, or maybe with healthy food like fruits or vegetables, but not junk like chips, soda. Try to keep all of those things out of your sight so that you don't tend to eat it. So your brain doesn't automatically just pick something and eat it, because it could happen anytime. Like when you're on the phone, you're talking to your best friend, you know, spilling tea, and then you see like chips, you unintentionally you eat a piece of cake or chips or drink soda or whatever it is while you're spilling tea. So try to keep all of those junk food, unhealthy food away. When you're eating unhealthy food, right, try to use a smaller plate so that whatever you're eating just looks bigger. So basically you are tricking your brain into thinking that you are eating a lot. Our plates nowadays are extremely huge than it was before, like 10 years ago, 20 years ago. I have no idea why plates are getting bigger and bigger every decade, but try to use a smaller plate so that you feel like you're eating a lot and you'll eat less, but you still feel like you ate more. But if you're eating healthy food, try to use a bigger plate so it looks smaller, vice versa. You get what I mean? Now, number 4. Is it number 4 or number 3? Eat a lot of protein. Now, protein is an amazing thing for your appetite. It's amazing for a weight loss journey. It's amazing for building muscle, losing weight, whatever. It's just extremely healthy. Protein can increase the feeling of fullness. It could make you feel full. You could eat just 500 grams of protein. For example, beef, just beef, and you will feel full. So you don't have to eat anything else like carbs. Like, now some protein rich foods are chicken breast, beef, Greek yogurt, lentils, almonds, fish. All of those are really good. And the next one is eat fiber rich food. Now just like protein, fiber rich food also make you feel extremely full, so you could eat a little bit of it and you could still feel full. And next one is, oh my goodness, this point, drink lots of water, because when you drink water before a meal, you don't want to eat a lot when you're eating. This is a hack that I used to do all the time. Like, I still do it. Sometimes I just don't feel like I'm okay with the way I look, or I feel insecure about my body. I don't feel like eating. I drink lots of water so that I don't feel hungry and I don't eat a lot. But obviously I don't starve myself. So yeah, drink lots of water throughout the day so that you tend to eat less throughout the day. You don't feel like eating snacks. You won't feel like eating a lot when you're going to eat. Or if you're unable to drink lots of water, just try to drink lots of water 15 to 30 minutes before your actual meal. But not right before your meal, because that will make you feel like puking. I don't know if it happens to other people. And the next point is eat and sleep well. Now this plays an important role in losing weight or even gaining muscles or anything. You need to eat and sleep properly, because when you don't sleep properly, your body tends to think that you are in stress. Some very annoying hormones are released that cause you to eat more and cause you to crave more, especially junk food. Just try to sleep more and avoid stress. And the next point is try to eliminate sugar, whether it's your coffee or a candy. Just try to cut it off. Like, if you're trying to drink coffee, just don't drink it with sugar. Try to not eat stuff with sugar in it. Try to avoid soda. Even like if you're going out with your friends, you know, you want to eat something, okay, you're eating KFC, for example, try to not drink the soda. It's the small things that matter, you know, even the small things could make a huge difference. You never know. And if you continue to do it for a month, no sugar, no soda, for like 2 to 3 weeks, you'll realize that your skin is getting better, your body is feeling a little different, and your stomach looks a little different. Especially, it won't look bloated. Now sometimes, even if we don't look bloated, or even if we don't feel bloated, we're still bloated. And things like soda and sugar can actually make you look bloated but not feel bloated. You get me? And my next point is try to take the stairs instead of using an elevator. Try to do simple activities that keep you active. Now, if you don't want to exercise, if you don't want to go to the gym, just keep yourself active. If you're on your phone for like an hour, try to walk around the house for about 10 to 15 minutes. Try to get on the phone with a friend. Try to spill some tea so you walk unintentionally and you're still active. Because if you keep your butt in one place, it's not being active. You're not active. You need to move your body. You need to get your body to move, not just to lose weight, but just to overall try to take the stairs instead of the elevator. Try to walk instead of using an Uber or using your car. Try to lift things without asking somebody else to do it, like a grocery bag. You know, if you're in a relationship and your man doesn't let you pick up the groceries, I understand you, girl, but tell him, I want to be fit, I want to get stronger. Try to lift those grocery bags on your own. Walk with them so that you're being active. You're gonna sweat a little bit, but that's exactly what you want to do. And while you're cleaning the house, try to do a little dancey dance, you know, try to enjoy cleaning. Or when you're cooking, just put on some music and just shake a little bit. You know, you're still being active. Even if it's a little bit, you're still being active. Something is better than nothing. And the next thing is try to buy healthy snacks. Try to fill your fridge with things that are good to eat. Let's say, for example, you're watching a movie till 3 AM in the night and you want to eat something because you're craving something, because you didn't follow my last rule, sleeping early. So you feel like you want to eat something and you have no junk to eat, and you're so hungry to the point that you want to eat something. You're probably going to end up eating an apple or something healthy. If you have chips and an apple right in front of your face, you'll probably take the chips and not the apple. So try to not spend your money on junk food and just try to eat something healthy. And my next point is smoothies. Now, if you hate eating vegetables and you're very used to eating junk food, burgers, fries, and things that are basically not really healthy, try to make smoothies. Like, smoothies are amazing because you could include all of your veggies in it. Like, you would just add anything you want, fruits, vegetables, almonds, whatever you want. It is the easiest way to be healthy. It is the easiest way to diet. It's the easiest way to just include your greens. So basically, those were all of my tips and tricks on how to lose weight without actually working out or dieting. So let me know if you found any of these tips helpful, and if you liked it, please comment down below if it worked for you or not, so it would help others. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below what else you would like to see. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.